BW Technologies is the leader in innovative personal gas monitoring instrumentation. Each detector in the GasAlert series has common features and functions. If you are already familiar with one GasAlert detector, you will find it easy to learn GasAlert-LEL operation. Today, we will discuss the use and care of the GasAlert-LEL combustible gas detector. An optional model for high noise areas is available with an internal vibrating alarm that pulses in sync with the audible visual alarms. The GasAlert-LEL monitors the atmosphere continuously for combustible gases and vapors in the 0 to 100% LEL or lower explosive limit. Features include a rugged safety yellow enclosure, wide-angled visual alarm bar, large status at a glance alphanumeric display, audible alarm, one-button on-off operation, alarm port that accepts an earphone, charging port, and a high-tension belt clip. On the color-coded keypad, the on-off button is green. The blue OK button accepts input values, and the up-down arrow buttons change values or scroll through menu options. GasAlert-LEL is delivered ready to operate. Simply press the green On button. All display segments light up, the audible visual alarms activate, and the backlight turns on. The current low and high alarm set points are displayed to inform you of the hazard levels set. During the countdown to normal operation, GasAlert-LEL executes a full function self-test each time the detector is turned on. The self-test, unique to BW instruments, verifies sensor and circuitry integrity, tests the battery, and activates the audible visual alarms. Upon completion of a successful self-test, the detector begins normal operation and displays the percentage of combustible gas present. The off sequence prevents accidental shutoff. Press and hold the green button for 5 seconds. The audible visual alarms pulse 4 times, and the display then reads off before the instrument shuts down. To activate the confidence beep, press the green and OK buttons together at startup. The confidence beep tells you that the instrument is on and working. Instead of beeping when the battery is low, the detector beeps to advise that the battery has sufficient power and stops beeping when the battery is low. To deactivate the confidence beep, turn off and then restart the detector. To access the User Options menu, press and hold both arrow keys. The audible visual alarms pulse 4 times and the display flashes USR. With the up and down arrow keys, scroll through the menu. Enable the Latching high alarm function by pressing the OK button. The display will read On. The audible visual alarms will now persist until the condition is acknowledged by pressing the OK button. To disable the Latching high alarm function, repeat the sequence. The screen will read Off. Passcode Protect prevents user access to the calibration and alarm functions. To activate or deactivate Passcode Protect, press the OK button when the screen reads Pass Lock. Enter the factory passcode using the up-down arrow keys. When activated, the screen will read On. If an incorrect passcode is entered, the display will read No, and the detector will beep 4 times and return to normal operation. Select End at any time to exit the User Options menu. GasAlert-LEL is light sensitive. The backlight will automatically activate in low light conditions. Press any button to reactivate the backlight on demand. The backlight automatically illuminates the screen in all alarm conditions. The gas alarms activate when the preset levels are exceeded. The GasAlert-LEL clearly advises the level of danger encountered: instant low alarm, instant high alarm, and OL or over limit alarm. In a low alarm condition, the audible visual alarms pulse slowly. In a high alarm condition, the audible visual alarms pulse rapidly in an urgent pattern. The OL or over limit alarm is factory set to latch and activates when the gas present is at 100% LEL. To acknowledge or reset a latched OL alarm, press the OK button. The detector will return to normal operation if the gas present has dropped below 100% LEL. If you encounter a gas alarm, take immediate precautions and follow your company's safety procedures. GasAlert-LEL constantly analyzes and tests its own operational status. The sensor alarm activates if the sensor is missing or defective. The low battery alarm is activated if power drops below usable levels. The alarms pulse once every 5 seconds. To prevent unsafe usage, the automatic shutdown activates if the battery power is in immediate danger of dropping below the minimum operating voltage. GasAlert-LEL records and displays the maximum or peak exposure encountered. To view the maximum gas exposure, press the OK and Max buttons simultaneously. The screen displays the maximum exposure encountered. The detector automatically resets the maximum gas exposure at startup. To ensure a valid calibration, GasAlert-LEL checks the ambient air and the calibration gas. If either does not meet expected values, the screen will read No, and the detector will refuse to proceed. Move to a clean atmosphere or use a new gas cylinder. Auto-zero the GasAlert-LEL at any time. In a clean atmosphere, free of background gas, press the OK and Cal buttons together until the LCD reads Cal. The auto-zero icon flashes. 2 beeps advise a successful zero. Press the OK button to exit or proceed to set span. GasAlert-LEL span is virtually automatic. If the passcode protect function is activated, enter the passcode when requested to proceed. Use only recommended calibration gases. Set span and the expected calibration gas concentration appears. The up-down arrows flash, prompting you to either input a new gas concentration or confirm the displayed value. Let's press OK to save the displayed value. Next, the flashing gas cylinder appears, prompting you to apply gas. Place the test cap over the sensor and apply gas. The audible alarm beeps 3 times to advise that span has been successfully completed. GasAlert-LEL has 2 gas alarm set points. The low set point activates instant low alarm. The high set point activates instant high alarm. You may change the alarm set points after calibration is complete. The screen will read Set Low Alarm and will display the current low alarm set point. Change the set point using the up-down arrows. Let's press OK to save the displayed value. The display will then read Set High Alarm and will display the current high alarm set point. Press the up or down arrow buttons until the display shows the desired value and then press OK to save the new set point. The detector beeps 4 times before returning to normal operation. If you do not confirm a value by pressing OK, GasAlert-LEL will automatically retain the previously set values. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery has a typical runtime of up to 14 hours per charge during normal operation. To recharge, insert the connector into the charging port. Charge time is 3 to 4 hours. The color-coded LED advises charge status. Red indicates that the unit is charging, green that the detector is charged, and orange that there is a charging fault. Your GasAlert-LEL will provide years of service with only minimal maintenance, but any sensor may become plugged with dirt or debris. To ensure the sensor responds to gas, routinely test it with a test gas. Calibrate and inspect your detector at regular intervals. To replace the battery or sensor, remove the back cover. The plug-in sensor provides consistent and accurate ambient gas readings. We have now covered the operation and basic care of the GasAlert-LEL. GasAlert-LEL comes complete and ready to operate. It includes a VAC charging adapter, a stainless steel belt clip, a test cap, a hose, and easy-to-follow manuals in local languages. Wear your GasAlert-LEL with confidence. Simply clip it to your belt or pocket. GasAlert-LEL is designed to provide maximum protection. GasAlert-LEL, like any safety device, is most effective when used and maintained correctly. This training video does not replace the owner's manual. To ensure worker safety, read and understand the manual before using your GasAlert-LEL. Thank you for choosing the BW Technologies GasAlert-LEL. Protect yourself and be safe.